Hi everyone, thanks for coming. Let's start the dance, okay? Right foot, just march, step forward, 4 steps. 1, 2, stop, hip, side, side, and back. 1, 2, stop, hip, side, side to the right. 4, 3, and back. 4, 3, and right. 4, 3, and forward. 4, 3, one more time, right foot, slow, 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 hip, side, side, and back. Very good. Stop, hip, right, we move now to the left side, left and back, left, one more time. Always focus on your hip forward. Okay, one by one, and 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, very good. Now, 3 steps to the right. 3, 2, 1. One more time. A little bit twist your upper body like this. Okay, very good. Now, turn. 1, 2, stop. 1, 2, stop. One more time. 1, 2, last one, okay? And stop. Okay, with your shoulders, right? Stop and spin very fast. It's 1. We're gonna do that 4 times. More 2. Stop and spin. Very good. Last one. And spin. Very good. Hip, right, left. Perda de tempo. Foi lição silenciosa. I love this song. Very good. Straight your knees and forward. 8, 7, just your hip. 5, 4, very good. 3, now, right, forward, left, back. Right, não foi em vão, back. Very good, don't stop. Just side, forward, side, back. Very good. Now, let's gonna do circles like this. Always inhale, exhale. Very good, stop. And back, left, 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 inhale, exhale, very good. Double times now, double forward, double back, double, back, bend your knees. I'm gonna do like that for show you, forward and back, keep doing. Não foi em vão, very good. Hoje entendo, forward, back, very good, stop back, stop, with your backbone like this, bend, make like a dome with your back, okay, and always, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, this is just a preparation for our dance class, okay, now stop down, on your hip, flex, and up, flex, and up, very good, 8, 7, 6, remember, breathe, okay, very good, now, the same position, we go, right, left, side to side, okay, easy, very good. Feel the music. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, upper body, go up. Tempo, rhythm, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Very good. Shoulders, on your shoulders, side to side. Foi sem aviso. Sem medo para reagir. Very good. Side to side. Don't stop. Always. Inhale. Foi sem aviso e eu tive que aceitar. This song is Kizomba. I love this rhythm. It's very good for dance. Now, upper body, double time. Forward, double. In, double. Oh, and one more time. 6, 7. One more time, I show you. 1, and in. 2, and in. 5, 6, Okay, stop in. We move. Right, left. You can little bit look on the floor for don't stress your neck, especially here on the back, you know? Especially here. Side, back. Side, come back. Side, come back. Okay, stop. Forward, side, back. Side, look at me. My upper body is little bit up. You can project your eyes on the roof like this. One. Sem medo pra reagir. Oh, side, side. Just feel your body. Very good. Now, relax. Double time. And double. Ah. Side to side. Very good. Now, let's go. The big one, okay? To the right. And 1, 2, right. Forward and left. 1, 2, left. Upper body. Your neck. Flex forward. And twist. Stop and right. And down. Forward. Left. Go up. Take a break. Stop, stop. A big circle with your neck. Stop on the left side. And left. Slowly, slowly down. Forward. We do the same thing, but now we're gonna do to the left side. Flex your neck forward. Take a breath. Stop in the left side. One more time. Down. Forward. Very good. In. Up. Your neck. Okay. Relax. Forward. And up. Look at me. Very good. Now march. Right, left, right, left. Very good. Let's start to move now. To the right. 1, 2. Very good. One more time. This is dance class, okay? What I want you to do here now is don't think too much about steps, but think about move your body with a rhythm, with a pleasure. And turn. 4, 3. One more time. 2. Okay. Stop. Okay. Double time. 1. Side, side. Okay. Guys, if you don't know me, my name is Lucas. I'm a dance teacher and professional dancer. I have this channel here where I love share my videos, but I also do online class. If you want to learn how to dance with me, follow the informations below on this video, okay? Let's go one more time. Turn, right side. 4, 3, 2, back. 4, 3, 2, one more. 4. Very good. Stop, double time to the right. And 1 and 2, and 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. Very good. And 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. Very good. Now, arm, we go. Shoulders, elbows, hand, and down. Shoulders, elbows, hand, and down. Little bit more faster, okay? Left. Okay. Tum, 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 tum. Let's go put some feet here to the right. Left. Good. Very good. 5, 6. Remember when we turn to the right? Let's see. 1. Waving. 1. Feel the music. Em tudo são os ouvidores. Há coisas que preciso sentir. Vai. 1. 2. Last one. Remember double time. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Very good. Now just shake hips and arms together. 1. Porque o amor verdadeiro não. Very good. 4 step forward, 4 step back. 1, 2, 3 and back. Right. Okay. And right. Right. 2, 3 and right. And right. One more time. Hey. 1, 2, 3, and back. Okay, last one. Go back. Only your heels, feet together. Heel, right, deixa que o destino me não que for. Okay, easy like that, right? Let's do double time. Double. 1, 2, 3. It's kind of center, side, center, side, center, side. Your arm cross front your body. Side, side, side. Breathe. And up, side, side, side. Don't stop, don't stop. Okay, very good. Step forward. Open, open, back. Open, open, back. Always right, left. It's not that big, you see? I'm gonna show you here. It's not big steps like this. It's comfortable for you here. Very good. Okay, step forward. Front. No, forward. When was the last time that you just play some music in your home and did something like this? Good, huh? Há caminhos que parecem amor, mas só nos tiram a kizomba. Very good. Now, one by one, side. Right, left, right. Remember waving. Side, side. E deixei o resto ir. Very good. Just feel the music. Side, kaboom, side, kaboom, side, kaboom. It's not too much about the movement, you see? It's more about you feel the music. Não é frieza em mim, é cuidado interior. Very good. Step forward and back. Open. Side. One more time. Diz que fosse tarde demais. Há caminhos que parecem amor, mas só nos tiram a. Don't forget, if you are not subscribed on my channel still, please, side, right? Subscribe on my channel. And practice, yeah? And practice. The secret is practice. É salvar o coração. Side, side. Side, side. Side, side. Okay, stop. Your neck to the right. Right. Breathe. Left. Breathe. And up. Up. Take a breath. And down. Forward. Forward and back. Remember? One by one. Right and left. Right, left. One more time. Now, step forward. One more time. Right, balance. Okay, very good. Relax. Very good. The best way for you to learn how to dance is practice the easy steps, the foundation. They not always are easy, but most of the time they are like a foundation. Walk forward, walk back, walk right, walk left, turns, spins, and things like that. I have a bunch of videos on my channel, as you can see here in YouTube. And if you want to do classes with me online, I will leave all the information here below in this video, okay? So hit the like, subscribe, and send this video for somebody that you know that love dance, okay? Thank you very much. See you in the next class. Bye.